the number board on, and kind of the number board, you look at it, and what I try to do is I just try to make something look as much like an 8, as much like a 4, as much like a 2, and as much like a 7 as I can. Believe me, if you can even start to get something look like those numbers, you're doing okay. And then I put a little bit of gray over the top. And the handrails are gray. As I said, what you want to do with the gray handrail, probably use pencil. Again, if you've drawn on paper, especially if you've drawn on paper, you probably don't want to go too intense with these handrails. Yellow on the front and yellow on the back, walkway step. But on the ends you can make your handrails gray, but just ever so slightly to make the essence of the handrail being there. Color gray. Probably don't color over your flag very much, because the flag you're kind of proud of. And once the walkway goes up into the gray area, you just have gray on gray, and it doesn't really stand out too much. And then just where all the posts come down, that's where you mainly see it, is right where the posts come down. So find each post that you could find and color in, probably with a pencil, because pencil's gray. And so just kind of make each post, and then really quickly get dark brown. That's the color I kind of choose. And color your wheels dark brown. And you, again, could use a circle template on these wheels, but as I said, I'm working fairly quickly here for the sake of demonstration. If I were actually doing a finished drawing, I would use a template. But for the sake of demonstration, unfortunately, you're not really getting to see exactly how I draw because I'm demonstrating. I would be using template a little bit more there and straight edge a little bit more. But I highly recommend using straight edge and template a little bit more. I just did the couplers and the coupler pockets in gray. And the snowplow. And just touch up the horn. I touch up the horn in pencil though because it's gray and it's very delicate. And there you have it, 8427 Union Pacific.